Hello, good morning, dear friends, dear students all over the world. Today, inshallah, we have lesson 15. That is, we are still progressing, okay? Nothing, inshallah, will try to defeat us. When I say defeat, because I know there is some challenges in this life that is such as a big obstacle as a mountain try to stopping us. But I think if we have willingness, if we have desire from the heart, I think we should have to come across and defeat all of these difficulties which he tried to facing us in this life. We know it, as we mentioned many more times. The life is really so miserable and so difficult life as this situation that is we witness right now from the news all over the world. We can see the war in everywhere, especially in the Middle East, so that we're asking Allah to change this situation, inshallah. Okay? Really, today we have here in this lesson 15, and also it's gonna be so simple lesson. Okay? The goal of this lesson or the target of this lesson, it will let the student how to distinguish between the singular and the plural. It's specific in the pronouns, okay? When we say that the singular pronouns, I mean here I, she, he, it. There are force pronouns. They're concerning just only or representing the singular. But about the plural, that is we have, we, you, they, just only three. If you're adding three to the four, I think equal seven main pronouns. Okay, today we try to deal with this, inshallah. Have a look at this on the green board so as to understand what that means exactly here on the green board, okay? The first we have here, reader 1, lesson 15. Okay, we say Alhamdulillah because we came to the half of this book. Not exactly, but anyhow we continue. Okay, we have maybe about 40 lessons, but I think we come closer to the half of this book. Lesson 15, we have here one pupil, two pupil, okay, or two pupils. We have here the difference between 1 and 2. And as we mentioned, okay, in English grammar, one that is mean only one, it's the meaning of singular. And two that is mean plural, that is mean plural, okay? I forget to make letter S here, okay? But never mind, we can make it. Why not? The chalk is so closer from me. That is representing here plural. This is the S of the plural. And by this S, we try to distinguish between the singular and the plural, okay? But I think for the meaning of pupil, is the pupil like student? This question for you. Pupil like students? The answer no. Is a big difference. When we say pupil, that is, I think here we means the very young children, that is, whom they are in a basic school, even to the secondary school. That is, we try to classify, we try to classifying them, this is pupil. But I think upper than this standard, they call students, such as in university and higher education, that is the representing students. Okay, according to my knowledge, this is the difference. Okay, uh, pupil, I think this is at the time of adultery or the time of adolescence. When we say adolescence, I think this is the very sweet time of human being, the time of person that to be noisy in the house, a lot of problem. But I think after than this, we can say student. No more. I think their target, their goal is one. All of them, they are gathering information or knowledge. Okay? This is the difference. We should have to distinguish. We have here these questions in order to know how to use the plural, okay, pronouns. What are you doing? This is the question we try to ask in all the time, okay? Why do we ask these questions? What are you doing? What are you doing? We asking these questions so as to know what about your action or reaction that is you do at this time exactly. By this question, I think we will know the answer. That is, we should have to bring the verb expressing action so as to know what about this person do or what this pupil do. Okay, we have here, this is three pronouns. As I mentioned at the first of this lesson, we say these pronouns exclusive for the plural, okay, nouns. And instead of them, that is, we try to use a lot of people, okay? For example, if you say we, that is students. You, this is, could be sometime neuter, sometime could be neuter, okay? What are you doing? We are standing up. We are standing up, okay? Here, this is pronouns, and this is the helping verb. Even the helping verb should be, that is, equivalence, okay, with this. That is, whenever use is. When do we use is? We use is with the third pronouns. She is, he is, it is. But I think for 1, 2, 3 pronouns, we use are, are. This is the difference. You have to focus or concentrate in this so as to know in order to avoid your mistakes, okay? We are standing up. We are standing up. And then we have here, you are opening the box. You are opening the box. You are opening the box. And then we have, they are writing on the table. They are writing on the table, okay? Here, that is, we knew how to distinguish between the third pronouns or the first pronouns, that is, it could be using with the singular. But I think if you're asking this for the one, what are you doing? We can say, I am standing up, this singular. She is standing up. He is standing up. It is standing up, okay? But I think instead of the singular, that is, we're using, this is the plural. We are. You are. They are, okay? All of these pronouns replace the plural nouns. When we say replace, that is, we use instead of them, okay? You have to focus in order to know how to deal with this, okay? It's a very simple, but at the same time, it's the most important in English. A lot of students, I think, they're mixed between them. For example, someone that we is, this is completely wrong. This is not right, okay? You have to follow in this way in order to know how to deal. And this is here is going to be changed according to the action of somebody try to doing. Standing, that could be reading. We are reading. We are watching. We are dancing. We are eating. We are listening to the music. We are talking with the other people. We are walking to the market. We are shopping, okay, in the market. there is many different verbs. You should have to bring them and keep them, and you should have to put them instead of standing, opening, writing. This also could be changed. This could be changed according to the action that is you want to express about it. Okay, this is what do we have. I think my message is arrive in your mind. Open your mind and then you focus for what I try to say, and then you will be professional in English. Okay, do not forget to make sure to comment. I do my thank for you, but I will not forget to make translation. Okay, time for the translation to this sentence. Have a look at this. Reader 1. كتاب المطالعة الأول. Lesson 15. الدرس الخامس عشر. Okay. One pupil. Pupil that is mean تلميذ. تلميذ. وكما ذكرنا هنالك فرق ما بين التلميذ والطالب. التلميذ اللي هي في المراحل الدراسية الأولية. الأساس يعتبر تلميذ، الثانوي يعتبر طالب، الجامعة كذلك طالب، حتى الدراسات العليا طالب أو باحث. Okay? That researcher. Two pupils that is mean تلميذان. تلميذان. Okay? لدينا هذا السؤال. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? ماذا أنت تفعل؟ أنت بتعمل شنو؟ لو عايز تضيف كمية بتاعت أفعال أضيف هذا السؤال أو يستخدم هذا السؤال. ماذا أنت تفعل أو ماذا أنتم تفعلون، وده الضمير اللي هو محايد. ممكن يكون أنت، ممكن يكون أنتم. الإجابة على هذا السؤال خصصنا اللي هي الضمائر الجمع. We are standing up. نحن نقف فوق، ونحن باعتبار الضمير الجماعة المتحدثة. نحن نقف فوق. You are opening the box اللي هو أنتم تفتحون الصندوق. You are أنتم ضمير الجماعة القائبة. أنتم تفتحون الصندوق. Okay? I'm sorry ده اللي هو ضمير الجماعة القائبة. They are writing on the table. هم يكتبون على الترابيزة. They are writing on the table. اللي هو التمرين بتاعك. حاول غير لنا هذه الأفعال المعبرة في الحدث. يعني بدلا مما نحن نقف فوق عمل نحن نأكل. We are eating. نحن نشرب. We are drinking. نحن نرقص. We are dancing. نحن. أوكي، الأفعال التي أنت تستطيع أن تحضرها في هذه الشواغل. Okay? I think we came to the last of lesson 15. I hope to get a benefits. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, I'm ready to answer your questions. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.